You have a breathtaking luxury villa, stunning photos, a premium price tag, and yet something is still holding it back from its true potential. Hi, I am Agatha, a high-end estate guardian and lifestyle partner for luxury villas here in Tenerife, the muse and guardian angel of the home. And this is Alma de la Casa. I want to show you something I built because after everything I have said about luxury villa listings, photos and descriptions, it only makes sense to show you the actual fix. It's called a Property Harmony Audit. Simply put, I go through a luxury property either in person, on site, or online through listings and websites, and I pinpoint exactly what's holding it back. It could be the wrong photo order, a special detail that's in the description but was never photographed, dry, technical text that doesn't capture the real feel of the home, or a neglected corner that throws off the whole impression. I deliver specific points with specific suggestions you can start acting on right away. Let's look at what that actually means for each of you. If you are an owner, whether you live in the villa yourself, rent it out, or want to sell it, you don't have to guess what's working and what isn't. You get it in black and white, exactly what to fix, so your property performs better, rents or sells faster, or commands a higher price. And if you are a real estate agency, it takes the heavy lifting off your agent's shoulders. It makes their job 10 times easier because the emotional connection starts working on its own, so clients naturally fall in love with the space before the agent even says a word. I have built this into 3 specific packages and I walk you through them in the next video. But if you don't want to wait, my contact details are right there in the video description, so feel free to reach out directly. If this resonates, please subscribe, and if you think someone else should see it, share and drop a like. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.